The car. It's more than just a machine, it's a symbol of freedom, innovation, and human ingenuity. But how did we get from horse-drawn carriages to the roaring engines of today's supercars? Buckle up as we take you on a journey through the revolutionary history of the automobile. Our story begins in the late 19th century. Streets were crowded with horses, and the idea of a horseless carriage was still a fantasy. But a few visionaries dared to dream differently. In 1886, Carl Benz introduced the Benz patent motor wagon, widely regarded as the first true automobile. It had a single-cylinder engine, 3 wheels, and could reach a top speed of 10 miles per hour. Not exactly fast, but it was revolutionary. Imagine the skepticism. People were used to seeing horses, and suddenly there was this noisy, smoke-belching machine. But this was just the beginning. The spark had been lit, and soon others would join the race. Fast forward to 1908, when Henry Ford changed the game forever with the Model T. But it wasn't just the car that was revolutionary, it was how it was made. Ford introduced the assembly line, reducing the time it took to build a car from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. This innovation made cars affordable for the average person. The Model T wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of the American dream, mobility, and freedom for the masses. By 1927, Ford had sold over 15 million Model Ts, and the world was never the same. The car had gone from a luxury item to an everyday necessity. The 1950s and 60s brought us what many consider the golden age of automobiles. Cars became symbols of status, style, and power. It was the era of the muscle car, big engines, bold designs, and the birth of car culture. Cars like the Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, and Dodge Charger didn't just get you from point A to point B, they made a statement. It was about speed, control, and the thrill of the open road. Owning a car became a rite of passage. It was freedom on 4 wheels, and for many it was love at first drive. The journey wasn't without bumps in the road. The 1970s brought the oil crisis, leading to a shift in how we thought about cars. Fuel efficiency became the new buzzword, and compact cars started to dominate the market. This era also sparked the environmental movement, and for the first time we began to question the impact of cars on our planet. Innovators started looking for alternatives, and the seeds for the electric vehicle were planted. It wasn't an overnight change, but the wheels of the next revolution were in motion. Today, we stand at the dawn of a new era, one where electricity, not gasoline, powers our journeys. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are rapidly gaining popularity, thanks to advancements in battery technology and a growing awareness of environmental issues. Companies like Tesla have become household names, leading the charge, pun intended, in the electric revolution. EVs aren't just about being eco-friendly, they're about performance too. With instant torque and cutting-edge technology, these cars are fast, smart, and sustainable. The question isn't if electric cars will dominate the roads, but when. The revolution that started with the motor wagon is now accelerating faster than ever. So, what's next? As we look to the future, the car continues to evolve. Self-driving technology promises to change how we think about mobility, making our roads safer and more efficient. Imagine a world where your car drives you to work while you catch up on emails, where traffic jams are a thing of the past, and where zero-emission vehicles help combat climate change. This isn't science fiction, it's the road we're already on. From horsepower to electric power, the car has been at the forefront of technological revolutions for over a century. And as we look ahead, one thing is clear: the journey is far from over. Cars have come a long way from their humble beginnings, but their impact on our lives remains as powerful as ever. Whether it's the thrill of the open road, the convenience of daily commuting, or the promise of a greener future, cars are more than just machines. They're a part of who we are. So next time you turn the key or press that start button, remember the incredible journey that got us here. The revolution of cars is a story that's still being written, and we're all along for the ride. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through automotive history, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share your favorite car stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep the wheels turning.